Hello, and welcome to the Solstice 4D remote control tutorial. The goal of this video is to teach you the ins and outs of the Solstice remote to better understand how to use it and to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split up into 3 different parts: remote layout and functions, menu walkthrough, and pairing your Bluetooth device. To start, we're going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Afterward, we will go over the menu to start an auto program, then customize a massage using the different features of the chair. And lastly, we'll show you how to pair your Bluetooth device to your Solstice 4D. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the red power button below the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power and when the power switch on the back of the chair is turned to the on position. To the right of the power button, we have the up-down arrow buttons. The up-down arrows are used to fine-tune the shoulder height of the back mechanisms right after the initial body scan. They are also used in manual point and manual partial mode to position the back mechanisms to the location you desire. Below the power button, we have the menu button. Pressing this button will bring up the home screen where most of the chair's functions are located. We will return to this in part 2 of this video. Next is the foot roller button. This will allow you to turn on the foot roller feature during any auto program. Note, while in an auto program, there was a slight pause after you turn the foot rollers back on as it synchronizes with the auto program chosen. In the center, you have the directional pad and the OK button. This will help you navigate through the menu, and the OK button allows you to confirm a selection. While in a program, you can use the up and down directional buttons to adjust the mechanism speed and the left and right buttons to change the airbag intensity. At the bottom left of the directional pad, we have the heat button. This allows you to quickly turn the lumbar heat on or off. To the right of that, we have the zero gravity button. When pressed, this allows you to quickly turn on or off the zero gravity feature during any massage. The next buttons are the 4D button, along with the footrest and backrest adjustment buttons. While in an auto program or manual mode, pushing the 4D button will change the intensity of the massage. Use a lower intensity for a light tissue massage or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. The intensity meter shows on the display. Note, in an auto program, the 4D intensity feature is set to only a variable of 3 different levels: a low, medium, and high. In manual mode, you can set the 4D intensity feature to any of the 6 different levels. Around the 4D button, there are 2 sets of adjustment buttons for the footrest and backrest. When holding down the footrest adjustment buttons, this allows you to raise or lower the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just the same. This allows the chair's backrest to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. Now let's walk you through the menu. On the screen, you will see 6 different menu options: auto, manual, airbag, heat, time, and settings. It is very easy to navigate through the different menu options. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We're going to start from the top and work our way down the list. The first option is auto. When pressed, this brings up a list of 12 auto programs that you can use with the start of a button. There is extension, release, full body, Thai, Chinese, post-workout, vigor, night, calm, neck and shoulder, waist and glutes, and lastly, back and spine. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each of them out and seeing which one feels best for you, or varying them based on how you feel that day. Going back to the main menu, navigate down and select Manual. This will bring up the manual menu displaying 5 different options you can adjust: mode, part, width, speed, and roller. Let's select mode. These are different techniques of massage that this chair offers. As you can see, there are 5 options: kneading, knocking, tapping, shiatsu, sync, and 4D shiatsu. Try each of them out and see which one you enjoy the most. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select part. Here you have 3 options: whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L track in the massage chair. that is from your neck to lumbar. For a more focused massage, select Partial. This setting moves the rollers to a 6 to 8 inch section where they currently are on the L track. For a more targeted area, select the Point option, and going back to the display screen, use the up and down adjustment buttons to move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L track. Returning back to the manual menu, there are 4 more settings to adjust. To change the width of the rollers, simply select Width and you will see 3 options: a wide, medium, and narrow. If you want to change the speed of the rollers on the L track, you can adjust those settings in Speed on the menu. Here we have 6 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 6 being fast. And last in the manual menu is Roller. To change the speed of the foot rollers, select Roller and choose from any of the available speed options: 1, 2, 3, and off, 1 being slowest and 3 being fast. Note, before customizing your own massage, make sure the foot rollers are on first in order to change the speed of the foot rollers later within the customized program. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual menu, let's return to the main menu and continue going down the menu features that really set this chair apart. Once back in the main menu, navigate down and select Airbag. This is where you can adjust the airbag controls to get a great compression massage. After you select Airbag, you will see 2 options. These are Part and Force. Select Part. This will allow you to choose between 3 different options: full, arm and shoulder, and leg and foot. Using the directional pad, choose an option and press OK. Once selected, you can change the intensity by using Force. This will show 6 different options, 1 through 5, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want them off, simply select Off and then they will be turned off entirely. With the airbag set to your desired intensity, let's bring on the heat. Back in the main menu, select Heat. Here you will see 4 different heat options to choose from, 1 through 3, and off, 1 being warm and 3 being hot. If you decide you want the heat off, simply select Off and the lumbar heat will be turned off entirely. Now let's go back to the main menu and go over time. In the time settings, you will see 3 choices: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Selecting one of these will extend your massage session length. Keep this setting in mind when you create your custom massage to set the length of session desired. Now let's head back to the main menu to go over our last menu option, which is Settings. Select Settings. Here you will see Language, Bluetooth, Power Save, and Voice. The first setting is Language. This chair has 2 different language settings to choose from: Chinese and English. Next is the Bluetooth. You can turn on the Bluetooth settings on or off. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over that in part 3 of this video. The next setting is Power Save. Here you have the option to turn Power Save on or off. Turning on Power Save will help you lower power consumption while the chair is in standby mode. This means when the Power Save is on, Bluetooth will be turned off entirely once the chair gets turned off using the remote. If Power Save is off, then Bluetooth will remain on even after being turned off using the remote control. The last setting is Voice. Here you can see 4 options to control the volume of the voice within the chair. There is 1 through 3 and off, 1 being the quietest and 3 being the loudest. Note, voice setting is only used while changing auto programs with the smart control dial. Now let's pair your phone to your chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure the Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Solstice remote. Now make sure you have the Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If your Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth enabled massage chair around you. Select Solstice 4D in the available device section of your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Infinity Solstice remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Solstice 4D and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.